Hi, I'm Jim. Welcome to Aimco Manufacturing. I'm here today to demonstrate a 2-cup vacuum system, picking up these display monitors. Now, this system has a vertical slide handle which keeps your hands in a comfortable position throughout your up and down travel. And we also have a rotate function, which will rotate the monitor 90 degrees. We also have a vac on, vac off. And if you'll notice, I will depress the vac off, and I am not able to release the part. You have to depress the common trigger and the vac off at the same time. This system is on a 300 series torque lift, which is a single point mount. The higher mount allows you a little more ease to manipulate your tool. I'm going to simply set the part back down. As I said, you must depress the common and the vac off. Pull away from the part. Thanks for watching. For any of your lift assist needs, or if you just like to watch some Aimco videos, please visit aimcomanufacturing.com. Thank you.